Alright, about to upgrade the RTR lights chain. Right now I've got an aftermarket gold chain that I put on the 35. I only put it on maybe a little over a week ago and not even 20 miles on it probably. Maybe a little bit more than 20 miles, but the original chain snapped. And I reached out to Electro & Co. and they sent me this Thicc chain, which I'm going to throw on the bike right now and see what kind of difference it makes. This is what it sounds like now. We'll see what kind of difference it makes. Alright, we're going to remove the master link on this old chain. I'm going to move the master link off of the Thicc chain. Don't get it mixed up. Okay, take the plate off. Take the link out. Now what they say is hook the new chain, link the new chain to the old one like this. Keep a little tension on it. And that works pretty good. I'm going to loosen the axle a little bit to move the wheel. You need a 14. Might be a 17. Yeah, 17 or a 19. Loosen the axle and then grab a wrench to mess with the adjusters. It's a 12. Alright, so now I've got the wheel all adjusted to where I could put the link back in. You want to put it in from the back. There you go. Then we'll put the plate in. And this plate's got a logo, a Master Link logo. We'll let that rest on the outside. Alright, and then we're going to put this master link back on. Alright, it's on. Now I'm just going to adjust. See these dots? You just want to make sure that they match up this side and that side. Retighten these, and then we're going to do a test ride. Alright, we've got the new chain on. Feels nice and thick. Got the chain adjusted. Go for a ride and let it stretch a little bit, and then keep my tools out because after it stretches, you're gonna probably have to make another adjustment. Let's see how it sounds though. Shit, it's a little bit louder. We'll see how it sounds on the road. I think it's a little bit quieter, a little bit smoother. Honestly, can't really tell a difference though. You're welcome. Oh, heads up.